So Apple is poised to reveal the iPhone 16 series at today's much-anticipated It's Glow Time event, and excitement is building not just for the new devices, but also for the rumored debut of Apple Intelligence. As always, photography innovations are expected to be a highlight of the iPhone 16 Pro series, continuing Apple's tradition of pushing the boundaries in mobile imaging technology. One of the biggest upgrades expected in the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models is the shift to a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a significant improvement from the 12 megapixel sensor in last year's iPhone 15 Pro series. This upgrade is predicted to result in much better low-light photography, delivering crisper, more detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. According to a report from 9 to 5 Mac, the new iPhone 16 Pro models will also see improvements in video recording capabilities. Specifically, the phones will be able to record 4K video at 120 FPS, doubling the frame rate of the iPhone 15 Pro series, which is limited to 60 FPS at 4K. Another exciting development for photography enthusiasts is the inclusion of the tetraprism lens across both iPhone 16 Pro models, which was previously exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This will enable 5 times optical zoom, offering users more flexibility when capturing distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. There are also rumors circulating that Apple will utilize an upgraded Sony sensor for the main camera of the iPhone 16 Pro series, potentially further enhancing photo clarity and detail. In terms of new hardware features, the iPhone 16 series is expected to introduce a dedicated camera button across all models. This physical button, likely located on the right side of the phone, will allow users to more easily take photos with a simple press. This follows Apple's trend of adding more tactile features to its devices, making photography even more intuitive. Apple is also reportedly testing a new atomic layer deposition lens coating for the iPhone 16 Pro series. This advanced technology is designed to reduce lens flare, which can occur when taking photos in bright or challenging lighting conditions. Apple's focus on improving camera technology once again positions the iPhone 16 Pro models as top contenders in the smartphone market, especially for those who prioritize imaging capabilities. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 16 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.